Hey, this is Earl, right? Oh yeah, currently here at this chili cook-off event. Mike, he scheduled our club to go fly here a bit, and yeah, it's basically for publicity and things like that, and I'll talk more about that later after I eat, and yeah, after been flying too, so yeah, here we go. Now for some FPV, I guess. Okay, so I just flew around a bit, and yeah, basically this event's pretty much over. You saw people around and things like that, but most of the people have left. And today, what I really wanted to talk about was, sorry, my voice is kind of down, but yeah, I feel like in FPV, oftentimes you are kind of treated, although you're an ambassador to the whole hobby, and that is one of the things which is a good thing and a bad thing. If you like attention, it's very nice, but if you don't like attention, you just want to do your own thing. It kind of sucks because people are always going to bug you about things like that, and today it was really sort of one of the days which kind of showed this to be true, because there's a lot of stuff going on. There's birthday parties around here, a lot of people, and yeah, a lot of kids came up here to go ask about what we're doing and things like that, so that was pretty interesting. And yeah, and overall, what I'd like to say is that being an ambassador of the hobby is definitely not an easy thing, because you definitely do have a lot of pressure on you to sort of represent the hobby in a positive way. And I feel like, at least in this hobby, we should actually all try to strive to just represent this hobby very positively, because especially right now when the government's trying to ban us and things like that, it really matters. But more about that later. I gotta fly a bit more.
Got Navigat. My remote controller battery's low. This is looking pretty good.
Well, yeah, just finished flying. Everyone just left, and I'm still packing here because I'm a bit slow. And yeah, basically, what I'd like to say here is that in flying FPV, because you're sort of representing the whole hobby when you fly, you sort of have to act a bit responsible and mature. And you gotta sort of exercise good judgment, knowing when to fly and things like that. And yeah, I guess otherwise I've got to get back home. I'll talk about more when I get back home, but for now, I guess I'll go ahead and scooter. Well, that was a really nice event to go to. Definitely was able to show FPV to a lot of people and things like that. But aside from flying responsibly, I think we as FPV hobbyists, or more as a community, in fact, I think we've got to just go ahead and try to just give as much positive exposure to the hobby as possible. in my case, what I like to do is I like to just bring a spare set of goggles with me just so I can watch. And otherwise, I also like to invite my friends who don't fly FPV, who are interested in engineering this kind of stuff, to go ahead and just build drones with me, just to show them what goes into each one of my drones. And yeah, otherwise, this tiny loop has probably become like the biggest exposure thing, at least in my area, because sometimes there could literally be like half the floor just coming here just to ask about what's happening with this tiny loop. And yeah, otherwise, you just got to represent the hobby positively, I guess. So, till next time.